Again, I'm going to subtract first the whole numbers. So I have 3 minus 2 equals 1. And I have right now problem looking like this: 1 and 4, 27. This one and this fraction minus 13 over 21. Okay? Now, in order to subtract fraction from the mixed number, I have to convert the mixed number to improper fraction by simply multiplying the denominator by the whole number, and the result of it I have to add to the numerator. Okay, so I have 27 times 1 is equal 27 plus 4 is 31 over 27 minus 13 over 21. We have to find a common denominator. Okay, I have 27 and 21. I'm going to use the prime numbers to find a common denominator. Remember, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, I believe this is going to be enough for us at this moment. Remember, we have some more. I have two fractions, that's why I'm going to draw two lines, and I have 27 and I have 21. 27 is divisible by 3. 27 by 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. 3 is divisible by 3, and I have 1. So anytime I have 1, means I finish with my division. 21 is divisible by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 is divisible by 7, and I have 1. Okay, so I can rewrite these multiplications by 3 to the third power is equal 27, because 3 times 3 times 3, okay, 3 to the third power is equal 27, and I have 3 times 7. 7 equals 21. Okay, LCD, lowest common denominator. You have to choose always the different numbers and the highest powers. Anytime I have no power, there is always invisible one. Okay, different numbers. I have 3's and I have 7. So my different numbers are 3 and 7. I have 2 3's. I have to choose the highest power, so that's why I'm going to use 3 to the third power. 3 to the third power times 7, which is equal, 3 to the third power is 27 times 7, which is equal 189. Okay, so my LCD is equal 189. Now I have 31 over 27. Okay, I copied this fraction down, and my common denominator is 189. 189. Okay, and I have 13 over 21, and the common denominator we said is 189. The question is, by what number I have to multiply 27 to get 189? I have to multiply by 7. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. 31, I have to multiply by 7 is equal how much? 217. Okay? By what number I have to multiply 21 to get 189? By 9. By what number I have to multiply the numerator? Exactly the same, by 9. 13 times 9 is 117. Okay, so now I can copy these equivalent fractions into my equation, which is equal 217 over 189 minus 117 over 189, which is equal 217 minus 117 is equal 100. 100 over 189. I'm not seeing any common factor for 100 and 189, and this is proper fraction, so this is the solution to my problem.